I think the luxurious living in the 21st century would mean a lot of comfort in addition to opulence and glamour. I think it would mean, being very environmentally conscious. I don't think that we can survive as a community if we keep on, wasting materials and stuff like that. I think going forward in the 21st century, I think the prestige would be how environmentally conscious you are. The concept of biophilia is not, something that we've started talking today. I think if you see it back in the days when there were no architects designing the house, even a local contractor would understand the ventilation to give a courtyard in the center. So all these things were almost there. I think as architects, what we need to understand is that we should encourage a living that you also feel like being outdoors and not only 24/7 in an air-conditioned environment. So it's important to bring in those intermediary spaces, the space which is there between the outside and the inside, because in our weather it's very difficult for you to sit directly under the sun. So you want these kind of spaces, and which were already there in all our palaces, popularly known as verandas. So I think this is one of the examples of the yesteryears of biophilic designs, which I aspire to bring in my designs also today. And at the same time, we live in 21st century, and technology is a great part. We want smart homes, so it has to be definitely amalgamated in our day-to-day living, like for example automation and all of those things. But technology can only assist you in your day-to-day lifestyle, but your environment, the built environment, has to be really conscious and responsive to your climate. When you want to make a very luxurious design and you want to incorporate, solar energy and everything. So all the outdoor lighting, if you want to put on solars and you want those beautiful looking lights as you normally get with other companies, it's still a challenge. So what I feel that going forward, I think more and more companies would invest in solar energy and bringing about products that are equally beautiful, what we have been using, and and sustainable as well. What I would suggest is you should reduce the volume of work and focus more on quality. When you do less work, you're able to look at multiple aspects of the same project. Like we are a firm, we do from excavation to curtains. We handle everything for a residence. So, you have an architecture design team, you have an interior design team, we have a styling design team within the office. So when you're handling that span of project, right, when it starts to it ends, I think most important thing is say no to the work that does not resonate with you. Pick up work very consciously, which actually you enjoy doing, and take more share and investment into that project from your office than you would usually do if you have multiple projects going on. Well, I feel really overwhelmed to be a part of Top 30. It's really overwhelming that my body of work has been appreciated, accepted. I feel really elated.